about to close the main cabin door. All ground personnel, please disembark now. Cabin crew, stand by. As a safety precaution, may request all guests to switch off all portable electronic devices. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to depart for Bangkok, Thailand. In command of the aircraft is Captain Viper, ably assisted by First Officer Reyes. Our flying will be approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes. Our estimated time of arrival is 11:15 in the morning. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, Fiona, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelts by pulling loose ends. To unfasten, lift top of the buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, use your individual life vest found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head, take tape around the waist, and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, jerk inflation tabs to inflate vest. Manual inflation tubes are found on both sides. Load to increase air and push pin inwards to reduce air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not place the vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole, immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression.
You have to wear it. You have to wear it. Okay na.
Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each side of the cabin and exit nearest you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. This aircraft is equipped with an escape path lighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, the light would illuminate leading you to the exits. Fire extinguishers are located by the bulkhead at the forward and rear section of the aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats, make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, window shades up, and your tray tables stowed. Please be advised that this is a no-smoking flight. Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations require strict observance of lighted passenger information signs such as no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, computers, and tablets may be used but must be turned on only after takeoff. When the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off, power banks must not be used to charge during taxi, takeoff, and landing. These devices must be switched off prior to landing when the fasten seatbelt sign is turned on. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in compliance with the Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations, the crew will take their seats in preparation for takeoff. We will attend to your needs as soon as the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been switched off. You may now recline your seat. For your safety, however, we advise you to keep your seatbelts loosely fastened throughout the flight. For your convenience, there is a lavatory in the rear section of the aircraft, which is equipped with a smoke detector. Smoking is strictly prohibited, and tampering with the lavatory smoke detector is a criminal offense. We will be rolling out on our onboard eats in short while. We have a wide assortment of snacks, items, and beverage available. Please refer to our MMC in-flight magazine for the complete list of items and its corresponding prices.
Good morning, ma'am. Please order me. Chicken or chicken. Here you go.
Q.